Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $4.9370. Okay, and there is a higher chances that we can see there can be an upside, because if you look at this particular trend, a level of $4.9270, this is the level that if the price keep moving above this level, we can see there can be a further upside movement, and this level we have seen in December of 22. Okay, so this is after 3 years the price has touched this zone. So there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there can be a probability that if the price keep moving above a level, this particular level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a higher chances of going further high, because if you look at this particular trend, there is a probability that if the price keep moving off this level, we can see it can touch a level of $5.17. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards next level of around $5.3148, and if that sustain, a further upside. But what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that if the price keep moving below this level, we can see it can move towards $4.55. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 4.33. This is what we can see. Okay, and if you see the dollar index chart also, dollar index chart is, if you see the dollar index chart, it is already below a level of 99. Okay, and I've clearly mentioned you that till the time it is not going above $100, we will not see the price can rise. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a clear pattern showing towards downside, and if the price keep falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards 97.3, and then it will fall below 96.3 and then further low. Coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, as I already mentioned you that this is after 3 years the price has touched this particular level. What we can see, there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving above level 4.9 to $270, we can see there will be a rise, and if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a higher chance of further high towards a level of 5.17, and if that sustain, we can see the price can touch a level of $5.23, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen if it sustain this level. But from this level, a bounce back can be seen. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see the price can rise towards a level of $5.3 to a level of 5.49. Okay, and if that sustaining, a further upside can be seen. But as I've already mentioned you, market is uncertain. Okay, because see, if you look at this trend, we have seen there is an overall trend is upside. Okay, because from the month of September, the price made a low and then it was trying to go upside, and the price is already above this level. So if the price keep moving over this level, probability of going towards 5.2 will be there, and if that sustain, a probability of going towards 5.29 is there. From there, a bounce back can come, but if the price didn't bounce back, a further upside can be seen. But suppose if the price started coming down, because see, the dollar index is trying to go down, it is below already $99, and the natural gas is inverse to it, so it tries to rise. Okay, but sometimes they both moves in same direction, but probability is less. Okay, and the dollar index and natural gas are inversely related. Suppose if the price started coming down, what we can see, suppose if it started coming below a level of $4.93, we can see it can move towards a level of $4.83. Okay, and if the price falling below this particular level, we can see it can move towards a level of 4.83 to a level of $4.82, which is a support too. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 4.65. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price started coming down towards this level, we can see towards a level of 4.9400, we can see the price can touch a level of $4.8653, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $4.8150, and this is a support too. If the price falling below that particular level, then we can see it will come directly in weeks low, that is around 4.6650. which is a support $3. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $4.5509. And if the price falling below that particular level, we can see the price can go further down, and yes, after that a probability of touching 4.4 to $50. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level 4.2. Remember, 4.2 is a strong level. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, a further downfall can be seen towards $4, and then a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. Overall trend is upside till the time the price keep moving off 4.9 to 70. There is an upside, but if it keep moving below this level, then there is a chance that it can move towards 4.5, then to a level of 4.2, and then further low. But if the price keep moving over this level, we can see a further upside movement.